Hello, good morning. My name is Shakil, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money. There are many ways to make money depending on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are some options. Number one, freelancing. Number two, online selling. Number three, investing. Number four, gig economy. Number five, remote work. Number six, content creation. Number seven, tutoring and teaching. Number eight, passive income. Number nine, participate in survey and market research. And number 10, side hustles. Now we're going to explain them a little bit more in detail. Number one, freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients. Skills needed. Identify your marketable skills, writing, graphics, designing, programming, etc. Tips. Build a strong portfolio, set competitive rates, and actively network to attract clients. Number two, online selling. Types of products, homemade goods, ST. Secondhand items, eBay. Or drop shopping, Shopify. Marketing. Use social media or SEO techniques to promote your products. Fulfillment. Consider how you will handle shopping and inventory. Number three, investing. Stock market. Research and choose stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds. Real estate. Explore retail properties or REITs, real estate investment trusts. Education. Read books, take courses, or follow market analysis to improve your investing knowledge. Number four, gig economy. Driving. Sign up for services like Uber or Lyft. Consider flexible hours. Delivery. Work with companies like DoorDash or Postmates. Task services. Offer services or tasks. Rabbit for errands or home repairs. Number five. Remote work. Job boards. Websites like remote.co and we work remotely list remote job openings. Industries. Focus on sectors that commonly hire remote workers, such as tech, marketing, and consumer services. Skills. Highlight skills that are in demand, like communication and project management. Number six, content creation, blogging. Choose the niche and monetize through ads, Google AdSense, or affiliate marketing. YouTube. Create videos around your interests, run through ads and sponsorships. Podcasting. Discuss topics you're passionate about and monetize through sponsorships or listeners' donations. Number seven, tutoring or teaching. Online platforms, websites like VIP Kid or tutor.com allow you to teach students virtually. Subjects offer tutoring in academy in subjects. Offer tutoring in academic subjects, music, art, or other skills. Marketing. Promote your services through social media or local community boards. Number 8. Passive income. Rental properties. Purchase properties to rent out for monthly income. Dividends. Invest in dividend paying stocks for a steady income stream. Digital products. Create and sell ebooks, courses, or software that can generate income without ongoing effort. Number 9. Participate in survey or market research. Survey sites. Join platforms like Sparkbox or Survey Junkie. Focus groups. Participate in focus group studies, often paying higher amounts for your time. User testing. Get paid to test websites or apps and provide feedback. Number 10. Side hustles. Photography. Offer your service for events or sell stock photos online. Pet sitting, dog walking. Use services like Rover to connect with pet owners. Animal services. Leverage skills in repair or maintenance for local jobs. Additional considerations. Skill development. Invest time in learning new skills or improving existing ones to increase your earning potential. Time management. Balance your main job with side hustles to avoid burnouts. Financial planning. Keep track of your earnings and expense for tax purposes. Well, these are just some of the ways you can earn money, or some of the ways on how to make money on some of the ways you can earn money, or some of the ways on how to make money. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Please enjoy the day.